Back everyone, maybe in a situation where for some reason your music search on Instagram it just isn't working for some reason. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. I don't know why I said reasons so many times, but essentially what you want to do is make sure you're either connected to a network connection, can make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and you want to try even supporting and even posting a story in the first place. So what this looks like is you want to go take a photo of something just like this background right here. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this little search button up here, the music, and you want to try searching for the songs. Now, if the songs are searching, then you pretty much just fix the problem randomly. If the songs are still not working and you're having issues, what I would recommend doing is making your way over to your app store, so whether the Google Play Store or the App Store, and you want to go and click on search right here. You want to click search up here, and you want to type in Instagram. Now, most of the time it doesn't work. This time it worked. And you want to type in Instagram, and you want to make sure this is up to date. So you want to click that update button right there, and you want to make sure Instagram is up to date on the most recent version possible. If you're on a very outdated version of Instagram, like I mentioned, it's not going to work out. So click the update button and you should be good to go. Then what you want to do is you want to make your way back into Instagram just like this, and you want to try again. If it works, then you're good. If for some reason it still doesn't work, what you want to do then is you want to go ahead and actually just fully hop out of the Instagram application like this, and you want to go back into it and try again. If for some reason that still doesn't work and you're trying and trying and it still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is to actually make sure that the song you're typing in is even working. So if you go ahead and click here and you're able to see the songs like this, but for some reason you click on the song and it doesn't seem to be working out when you post it, well, that's a whole different story. If you go ahead and actually search for the song here, and you actually search for the song and it's not working, well, maybe the song you're searching up, it doesn't exist or you're typing it in wrong. So you may want to try that as well. If that doesn't work, you may be in a position where Instagram is randomly down and you may be having issues there. So you may have to go and double check that Instagram is actually fully functional and that specific application is not down. You can go to like isitdown.com. You can go to a couple different places too and pretty much check it out from there. So that's a couple different ways to fix it for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.